Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, kwivideo namuhla ngifisa siphinde sikhuluma udaba lika Mary Phathy. Kune-audio engiyizwile izolo. Angazi bekhuluma nobani, ecacisa indaba yakhe nokuba kulo mcimbi abekakuwo nge-Saturday nje uma beku-celebrate-wa i-birthday kaJacob Zuma la ama-members omkhonto wesizwe Phathy avimbe khona u-advocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane ukuthi angangeni ayohlala ngathi kwi-VIP area laphaya emcimbini loyo. Ivideo yesibili futhi engifisa sikhulume ngayo noma esizoqala ngayo ile yenzeka nje bathini le university le ngizoyikhumbula le yenzeka khona ukudutshulwa kwama-student nezinto ezinjalo.
Hi guys, hey guys, this is so Fatina. We are
traitors.
Make sure we have a bonnet of visa going. Is never Hi, Chambanga. Hi, guys. Bamthathile.
Go Buyela.
Nah, bathom.
Whoa. Bayekela ngonke abanye abantwana.
Hayi banibetha guys. Uvika. Oh.
Banjwa ichiki ke yaphi umuntu. I-first year student
Naledi Chiro bhale kanje nako ukuthi eWalter Sisulu University imishini yabo ukubulala ama-student amanye abenelanga ngosisonke. Uthi-ke namuhla ngoba usuku lwayizolo uthi namuhla kuvele kwadeploywa i-private security ukuthi ingenele ama-student iwa-terrorize. Le ithombo oyibonayo azithathwanga in more than an hour ago. Kodwa kufuneka ukwazi ukuthi there was no protest. Njengoba ubonile kwi-video akukho abantu batoyitoya khona. Kodwa kuvele kwaqhamuka la private security company seyidubula nge-rubber bullet. Kodwa awuzange ubone ama-student atoyitoyayo noma ahlangene ngobuningi. Bavele la ma-private security company yabangenela. Ngiyacela-ke kwaba-sensitive bangixolele ngizozifaka zona lezi thombe ukukhombisa amanxeba alabantu. UMinister we-Higher Education and Training uDr Nobuhle Nkabane ubhale istatement ebakakubalula kwi-statement ukuthi njengoba abantwana laba bebene-protest ama-student umuntu odubulekile washona akasisi student. uSihle Lonzeni ubesebhala kanjena uthe what if i-report lena elindiwe imtshela ukuthi lo muntu odutshulwe lapha ngempela uyi-student orejistwe kulonyaka mhlambe abamdirejistile ngoba sebefuna ukufihla leli hlazo laba balenzile lokubulala ama-student. Uzuyabuza ukuthi kungani uminister ekhetha ukudefenda i-university engazange waqale wathola ama-facts na.
Was the end of the year last year. So I can affirm today that indeed he was a student.
Yabona-ke manje i-university seyaconfirm ukuthi impela uSisonke lo dutshulwe washona beka-student. Usezothini kuminister? Hhayi ama-minister wenu we-ANC asiqhubeke. I-EFF ikhipha istatement nevideo ngalolu daba. Into engizoyenza la ngizo-attach i-audio uze ukuthi i-EFF ihlelani bese ngisifunda istatement in case ngoba ama-video nama-audio we-EFF aba no-music ngemuva. Kuyenzeka umusic wakhona masefana ngi-upload la ku-YouTube unginike inkinga. In case ngiyikhatha leyo party leyo uyazi into ebishiwo uSihle Lonzi.
On the 15th of April, a student was shot and brutally killed at the Walter Sisulu University during a student protest on campus. This is not an isolated incident. We have seen many young people and students in South Africa die at the hands of reckless security guards, reckless police, and reckless university and campus and residence managers. We're condemning this very violent and brutal act, and we're calling on all the necessary bodies, the South African Police Service, and all the investigative authorities to not rest and to look into this issue until we see justice. Amongst the various issues that students in South Africa fight for are the living conditions in the campus and off-campus student accommodation. We're now calling on all students in South Africa. We're calling on all activists of the EFF Youth Command, all SRCs, and all leaders in campuses to engage in a national campaign to visit each and every student accommodation that is not up to standard. We want all of you to take pictures, to take videos, and submit it to the email studentaccommodationcrisis@effonline.org.
Nansi incwadi ebhalwe EFF Youth Command. Ibhalwe ngoLwesibili mhla ka-15 ku-April 2025. Bathi-ke i-Economic Freedom Fighters Youth Command icasukile futhi inenhliziyo ezibuhlungu ngenxa yesenzo esenzekile sokubulawa kwama-student eWalter Sisulu University kumthatha campus bebulawa i-resident manager. Bathi-ke kunembiko ethi lama-student lawa bowamathathu oyedwa uluza impilo yakhe, ababili kuthiwa balimele kabuhlungu baphansi ba-under critical condition esibhedlela. Bathi ukubulawa kwama-student endaweni la afanele ngabe ayavikeleka khona futhi athola imfundo. Le senzo sokubulawa kanje kufana nokubetreya noma ukujikela isethembiso sedemocracy kanye nenkululeko kulelizwe. Lento iyakhula iyangokwanda lento yokulinyazwa nokubulawa kwama-student asuke exercise i-constitutional right yabo ngokuprotesta ngenxa yokungahambi kwezinto nezinto ezi-affecta imfundo yabo. Kanti kuthiwa imfundo i-fundamental right yempilo kanye ne-freedom of expression ivumelekile. Baqhube bathi akwamukelekile lokho okwenziwe kuma-student ngoba ama-student afuna ukufunda kangcono, ahlale endaweni ezikulungele ukuthi ahlale khona. Angizukusifunda ke sonke le statement kodwa engifuna ukucacisa ezinye zezinto ezikhalelwa ngama-student i-condition yama-res abahlala kuwo. Ngizokufakela iy'thombe manje ubone ukuthi anjani ama-res abahlala kuwo. Usehlelweni ubhale kanje, nanku ama-resident lawa accreditwe yi-NSFAS eWalter Sisulu University. Njenge-EFF irevile eParliament ukuthi NSFAS inama-service provider ahamba kuwo lama-res ethatha ama-bribes and accrediting ngisho imkhukhu kubhadalwa ama-landlords oma-stand lapho 45,000 rand per student ngonyaka. Bathi lento ke yenziwa yi-NSFAS iyingxenye yama-project we-ANC okuqhuba lento yabo yobugebengu abayenzayo. Mina ngesingami angiwasola ama-student le ndawo le ayikho esesimeni sokuthi kungathiwa kuhlala ama-student kuyo ngoba nami nje uma kuthiwa ngifuna indawo ngiya kuma-stand ngifuna ukuqasha uyayibheka phela indawo ozohlala kuyo. Manje ngeke mina ngivume ukuhlala endaweni enje, angeke ngize ngivume enje. Uyazibuza ukuthi i-accreditwe kanjani laba abayi-inspectile bathi ngempela isesimeni sokuthi ngahlala ama-student yini abafike bayibona ukuthi right lana ngathi indawo elahliwe nje okungahlali umuntu. So isikhalo sama-student ngiyasizwa mina nje ngesingami, ngiyafisa ukuzwa wena ngesingawo ukuthi uthini. Ngiyayifaka le video le ngiyazi ukuthi abanye bajahe mhlawumbe indaba kaMary Phali kodwa leni ithinta ama-student, leni ithinta ikusasa lezwe lethu, leni ithinta osisi bethu, obhuti bethu, zingane zenu abanye. Manje-ke ungathi ngoba ingane yakho ayikho se-university ukulunga kwalesimo kule ngane zamanje ezakho zothi mazifike e-university kuyobe sekungcono, yobe lesimo sesilungisekile. Asidlulele kwindaba kaMary Phali kodwa ngiyacela subscribe ku-channel, ulike i-video, comment. Ngiyafisa ukuzwa ukubona kwakho ngalolu daba. Namuhla-ke kule video yamanje into engifisa ukuyenza ukukhipha isizathu esenza ukuthi uMary Phali abe nenkinga no-advocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane. Ukube uconvener waseMpumalanga uJacob Zuma wakhetha omunye umuntu ubengeke mhlawumbe uMary Phali abe nenkinga. Namuhla ngizokukhiphela isizathu esenza ukuthi uMary Phali abe nenkinga noBusisiwe Mkhwebane. Angamthathi njenge leader ye-MK party eMpumalanga. Sizokhumbula ukuthi evikini eledlule noma evikini amabili adlule uPresident Zuma uhambile waye eMpumalanga lapha beyohlangana khona noMary Pardee balungisa lokho abakufuneka bakulungisa. Kodwa ngenxa yokuthi kune-information eyalika base beyawuhlehlisa lo mhlangano leyo bathi bazobuye bahlele olunye usuku esingalwazi thina. I-MK Party yakhipha istatement esicacisayo ukuthi noma kunjalo noma uPresident Zuma ehlangene noMary Pardee kodwa uMary Pardee still akakabi ilunga lomkhonto wesizwe party. I-membership yakhe isa-terminate okusho ukuthi akayona ingxenye yomkhonto wesizwe party. Cela uzwe la.
Kodwa uPresident Bikala
Ma?
uPresident Bikala last week wasibiza so-2 wathi ucela okwamanje sihambe siyosebenza.
Yes.
He said that wathi kuzobuya yena while thina sihamba siyosebenza kuzobuya yena bese namakabuya uzosakabuya sekakhuluma ne-National High Command and then nakaqeda ukukhuluma ne-National High Command azohlangana ne-leadership ye-province. So ngicabanga ukuthi ngibambe indabeni ukuthi president uzoza.
Yes. Okay, you already senhlanganiswe. There are people abangekho even aware ukuthi nihlanganisiwe. Abangekho even aware ukuthi uyaqhubeka uyasebenza, abagcine befunda from the media, including the people ohamba nabo or abantu abasuke bekuhostile wherever line hostene khona. We understand.
Mandate it. Hambani nosebenza. Hamba usebenza wena hamba usebenza we. And therefore akwenziwe kanjalo ke. Angikholwa ukuthi ngaba nenkinga.
Okay, mhlamba
Njengoba simuzwa komama uMary Pardee echaza ukuthi njengoba uPresident bekakhona uthe uzobuya yena sazoqala akhulume neNational High Command ebese ekhuluma nobuholi beprovince ebese yabuya yena eyilungisa le ndaba kodwa kwamanje abayosebenza. Uthi kuMary Pardee uyibambe lapho yena ukuthi kuthiwe hambani niyosebenza. Kodwa uyosebenza nje akayona imember omkhonto wesizwe party ngoba i-membership yakhe terminate. Umama yena advocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane ubhale kanjena ke kwi-TikTok wakhe wathi Mpumalanga MKP members iyekeleni lento ye-cult. I-cult ke i-organization no kodwa yomuntu esuke kungeyalo muntu loyo. Kodwa i-political party ayisi-cult ngoba i-organization yabo bonke abantu. Uthi ke asikwazi ukuba nomuntu ozoba mkhulu ukudlula i-organization. Ama-deployees we-National High Command yiwona aqhuba i-chaos anikeza umuntu ongeyona imember futhi amnika inhlonipho nobukhulu njengomuntu owumphathi wabo. Lokho kwenza i-constitution ye-MK Party ibe useless. Yenziwa ama-deployees adeploy i-National High Command. Thike lama-deployees deploy i-National High Command avimbele noma nqabele umuntu obezokhuluma lapho obezodeliver i-speech kwi-birthday ka-President Zuma ngoba bekahamba no-advocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane okuyena owu-convener waseMpumalanga. Uthi-ke umama uBusisiwe Mkhwebane ngasekugcineni MKP members ngiyacela ningaphela amandla futhi asingadikibali. Sine project enkulu efuneka siyenze yokususa i-GNU kuyipower asifocuseni. Njengoba ubuzwa lo mlayezo obhalwe umama uadvocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane akukho la xoxa khona uMary Pardee futhi akukho lathi khona bekuyiphuthu ukuthi uMary Pardee abe lapha. Yena uthi ubephelezele lo obekufuneka athula inkulumo kodwa bamvimba. Manje sengizokuvezela isizathu esenza ukuthi uMary Pardee abe nenkinga noadvocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane. Ngicela uzwe la.
I'm honest to the organization to say that you cannot see a person joining Mkhonto Wesizwe 2 weeks before and the next thing you give that person a role. How can we defeat EFF on the elections? And then from there you make the same person to be the face of the organization, we could take anybody in the province and put that a person there.
Okay.
So I'm saying that I am not demanding to be the convener of the province, but currently I'm sitting with the order, and I will be talking to the president. I will be on the letter of apology. I'll be saying to the president, please, President, let's find a solution to this thing, because we cannot lose as a province in 2026.
Ayozothakazwanga uyobunenkinga yena ngoba ukubeka kucaca uMama uMary Phathi ukuthi awukwazi ukuthi umuntu aqhamuke ku-EFF, funa uku-underline lokho, aqhamuke ku-EFF ena 2 weeks efikile bese nikwe iposition yokuba uconvener. Uthi yena akanqabili ukuba akahleli ngenkani ukuba uconvener waseMpumalanga, kodwa ukube kukhethwa omunye umuntu akwazi ukuthi ngafike behluli i-EFF lapha bese kusuka umuntu osuka ku-EFF aphinda anikezwe isikhundla eMpumalanga ebena 2 weeks. Eqinisweni lilonke uma ungayibheka kahle yonke lento kuliwa nabantu ababuya ku-EFF abake balalela uThabiso uhleze ekhala ukuthi abantu ababuya ku-EFF. Mawulalela uMary Phathi la uthi abantu ababuya ku-EFF. Bonke labanye abantu baphuma kuma-political parties abanankinga nabo. Ngizokwenzela umzekelo, ubaba unathi Inhleko awukaze wezwa kukhulunywa ngayo, kodwa ubuya ku-ANC unesikhundla naye. Ubaba uLisa Mchunu ubuya ku-ANC awukaze wezwa kukhulunywa ngaye, beba nenkinga naye. Kunenkinga noma kunento personally abanenkinga nayo ne-EFF. Thabiso noMary Phathi laba abawu2 esengibazi manje. Angeke ngimkhulumele uDuduzile ngoba uDuduzile uyayithanda i-EFF. Ngendlela admire ngayo uCIC uyayithanda i-EFF. Kodwa kunento ebangwa personal impi kaMama uBusisiwe Mkhwebane no Mary Phathi enkulu nje ukuthi ubuya ku-EFF. Le EFF abanenkinga naye engingayazi inkinga yabo babakaze bayisho. Kodwa kunenkinga olalela ukukhuluma kwabo bekuthiwa nje kusuka abantu ku-EFF bathola izikhundla, kodwa bayiko babo nathi Inhleko abasuka ku-ANC bafike bathola izikhundla. Uyabona lana kuliwa nomuntu obuya ku-EFF, inkinga yabo i-EFF. So inkinga yabo ukuthi uBusisiwe Mkhwebane usuka ku-EFF. Okwesibili wayesethola isikhundla. Nansi inkinga yabo abanayo. Ukube mhlambe kuqoka omunye umuntu ngabe uMary Phathi akayenzi lento ayenzayo, kodwa ulwa noMama uBusisiwe Mkhwebane ngoba ebuya ku-EFF. Futhi akakuvezi la ukuthi kukhona into abayibanga naye ukuthi cha mina nginenkinga ethize nolo, kodwa ngoba ubuya ku-EFF iyona inkinga ekhona. Bengithi nje angikulethele lento ngoba ngiyitholile impi into ebaqhathayo ukuthi umulo uBusisiwe Mkhwebane ubuya ku-EFF. Isona sizathu nje senza ukuthi babalwe. Ngiyacela ukuze uPaula kwakho ngalolu daba. Mina nawe asidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.